Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Max 3, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications, extend the list, and somewhere between those toggles you should find the hotspot toggle. Now for me, it looks like it's on the second page. This is, I believe, the default location of all the toggles, so hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Now once you locate this toggle, if you're doing this the first time around, you will want to hold this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings. So from here, click on Wi-Fi Hotspot, and most likely you will want to start off with the hotspot password. It is randomly generated, so without actually going into the settings right here, you have no way of knowing what it is. And you will obviously need it to sign into your hotspot. So anyway, I'm going to remove this one just because I don't really like it. It's completely randomly generated, not easy to remember and not easy to type in. So I'm going to set my own. Now your new password does need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, it doesn't really matter. And from there, that's basically all you would need to change or check. You can obviously change additional things like the hotspot name, though it's the name of the device, so it's easy to find in a list of networks. We have the AP band, which we have a choice between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. If you are uncertain what the device that you will be connecting with supports, I recommend keeping it at 2.4. It will ensure that you can always utilize your hotspot no matter the device. Obviously 5 gigahertz will be better, but not every device will support it. And under advanced, we have just one toggle, which is turn off hotspot automatically. I do recommend keeping that on. It will help you preserve a little bit of battery when you forget to turn off your hotspot, because it does consume more battery, so this will save you. And it automatically turns it off when it detects that there is no device utilizing the hotspot for 5 to 10 minutes. So anyway, I'm going to close this. And now to turn on your hotspot, simply find the toggle once more. Tap on it, and there we go. It is right now enabled. And I was gonna check something, but it looks like it doesn't utilize it. So sometimes hotspots use Wi-Fi antennas to broadcast the signal, but it looks like that's not the case right here. Maybe it would use it on 5 gigahertz, but on normal one it does not. So anyway, once you enable it, you can use it. And when you're done with it, you can forget about it. It will turn off automatically. But if you want to do it earlier, you can just find the toggle, tap on it once more, and there we go. It's now off. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.